Hi everyone, welcome to this new video. In today's video, we're gonna keep working with Python model contexts and the custom model definitions. So today I'm going to talk about the load context method. This is a method that MLflow calls every time that you load a Python model, a Python class, right? Now, why is this method important? In the previous videos, I show you how we could access the model config model artifacts from the context parameter here. But sometimes you want to use the load context to do things that takes time. For example, let's imagine this situation. You're working with a transformers model from Hugging Face. When you load the model, you need to load some weights, right? A JSON file with some weights and configurations. And you can basically build the model from those weights and configuration. And this usually takes time, right? You don't want to do that every time that you call your predict method, because that will slow down the inference process. Instead, you want to do that only once. So MLflow provides this method, load context, that you can use to override the context and do this kind of additional logic like loading additional weights or configuration files. So let me talk about this particular example that I have here. I am defining my custom model class, my mandatory predict method, and load context. So let me run this. And here, notice that I am expecting artifact called predictions, and this is going to be a path to a data frame that I'm reading here using pandas. And then in my predict method, I'm just printing that function here. So here, when I'm logging the model, I am providing the instance of the class, and as an artifact, I am providing this key, predictions, and the path to the file, which is a CSV file. And it's the same file that I have here under artifact example, predictions.csv. And additionally, I am passing this model config dictionary with the name for the model. So I'm going to run this to log my model. And now in this part, I'm going to load back my model using the Python flavor. And as I mentioned before, as soon as I load the model in this step, MLflow will run the load context method, which means that if this, let's say, method takes time, well, this process is going to take also time. So notice something here. I am adding the print statement loading context. So let's see if we can visualize that here. As you can see here, effectively, we were able to load the context. Now let's say that I do something like this. I import this is just an example. Let's say that I want, this method to take 5 seconds because maybe you are loading a very heavy file and you're setting some configurations. So I'm going to run this cell again and log my model again. And now I'm going to load that particular model and show you that this method is going to take now 5 seconds. It's running. And now it's done. So now you have a better understanding of how this load context method works. Okay, now let's use the predict method. I'm going to run this cell. And as you can see here, in addition to the output, I also got this data frame, right? Additional inputs that I am printing here, right? In this line of code. So by doing this, we don't have to load the data frame every time, right? In this case, I am just printing the output of my data frame. I am not loading the data frame, or let's say in a more real scenario, doing some complex logic, like setting some parameters, setting some configurations, loading some weights, and so on. So that's why it's very important to consider this method, load context, when you are defining your custom models. Well, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching it and see you next time.